Hi, my name is Remigiusz. I'm working in ESAB as a global product manager. Welcome to the quick start guide to the Dueler 1500 handheld laser welding machine. In the next couple of minutes, I will walk you through everything that you need to know to start welding safely and confidently with the laser welder. Before you start to weld, make sure that you and everyone around is going to be safe. This is a class 4 laser welding system, which means the area needs to be controlled and interlocked. Make sure your space is clean, free of combustible or flammable materials, and the fume extraction is connected. From the personal protection standpoint, make sure to always use certified laser welding helmet, which is ESAB L30, protective gloves, and the welding protective clothing. Alright, let's set up the machine. First, use the switch in the back of the machine to switch it on. And wait a couple of seconds. Then, read your safety notice and confirm clicking Next. Now, make sure your key switch is on position 1 and the safety button is not pushed. You won't be able to weld until you connect your safety loop as well. Next thing will be the gas connection. Make sure that you have connected the proper gas, either argon or nitrogen. Then, check the gas hose connection on both sides, on the cylinder side and on the machine side. If you have checked your key switch, your emergency button, connected the gas and satisfied all the interlocks, you will see the green light in the front panel and the information on your screen. ESAB Dueler 1500 uses the Presi drive, our most reliable and robust wire feeding mechanism. Today we're going to weld with a stainless steel wire of 1.2 mm diameter. So first, you need to take your wire guide and connect it both sides, from the machine side and on the torch side. So we can use our quick connectors here. As you can see, it's pretty easy. As you have connected your wire feeding guide, now make sure that you are using the proper wire feeding rolls. In our case, it will be 1.2V wire feeding rolls. Now put the wire inside and click on the feeding. And now wait until the wire reaches the tip. As you have fed your wire, now cut it at the point where you see the red dot. Now, as we're all good from the hardware point of view, let's just set up your welding parameters. The Dueler 1500 Synergic mode makes your first weld very easy. Just choose your process. In this case, it will be Synergic with wire. We're going to weld the stainless steel, 1 mm thick, and a corner joint with 1.2 mm wire. Now you can see all of your parameters set up automatically by the machine. The machine automatically applies all your welding parameters, which is the perfect solution for the new users. But if you feel that you need to adjust any of your parameters, you can always do it in a welding sequencer. All of the parameters of the wire feeder can be also changed in the wire feeder menu. For the advanced control of the process, you can always use the manual mode. In the manual mode, you can freely choose your welding power, wobbling width, wobbling frequency, or even the light mode. It could be continuous wave, pulsed, or stitch, but for now, all we need is the Synergic mode. We are now in the laser controlled area. Let's set it up, ensure proper ventilation, fume extraction, firmly clamp your safety loop into your workpiece, and we are ready to weld. We're going to prepare now 2 1 mm coupons of the stainless steel, and we're going to click Laser Enable on our screen. Dueler 1500 will show us how to set up the defocus in the torch. Now we're ready to weld.
Hold the torch at around 60 to 70 degrees. Keep a steady travel speed and let the filler wire follow the molten pool.
When you're done with welding, deactivate the Dueler 1500 with a key switch. Take your key, switch off the machine in the back, close the gas supply, and store your PPE. Now you're ready to start welding with ESAB Dueler 1500. For more advanced training or any other information, reach out to ESAB or visit esab.com. Thanks for watching.